Hey, it's Inigo. I am going to show you how to use the menu system in DEIMS screen so you can follow along. All right, present to everyone. All right, so I got this site, is the Plum Island Ecosystems LTR, is using DEIMS based on Drupal 7. Something about build up the menu system. Specifically, I want to mimic the menu system that they have in implemented in Drupal 6. Now the migration is kind of icky about menus, so I'm gonna do this by hand. All the content was migrated. In this case, are basic pages. I already moved some of the items. As you can see, there is the home, the about is here. It's the same page. You see, our mission is migrated, site description as well. Next is research facilities. So look at it's the same URL. Okay, so it's going to be really easy. What you want to do is with your mouse, go into the menu, into the bar menu, kind of slide all the way to the right. If you're logged in as an administrator, then there'll be this cogwheel to the right. Let's just list links in there. And then let's add a link. In this case, the research facilities is just research facilities. That's the title of the link. And the path is just the same, you know that. And the parent link is going to be about. So I'm going to use that search feature over here to find it. I'm going to save it. Now you see that the research facilities now is not in the right order. I wanted to show up right before site description, so that's okay. I can put it there by hand, by moving using that across and drag it. Once you're done, just save it. All right. So now we got the next menu item, which is research facilities. It has like three, I'm gonna call them 3 children or 3 embedded links. In this case, the first one is the path content / research. That's a station, that's calendar, and it's going research station calendar. That is kind of the name. So again, I'm gonna hover my mouse on the right of the menu bar. I'm gonna click list links. I'm gonna click add link. And right, the path was research, that one. And then the title is also the same, research station calendar. Now here is the thing, it is nested under the research facilities. So just put it there, nested under there, and off you go to add a new link, which is the Pi field station guide. I'm going to, because I know it's the same path, I'm just going to copy it, and then I'm going to go here. I'm gonna paste the path, and I believe the actual label was Pi field station guide. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Pi field station guide. All right, so the menu again is research facilities. Put it there. And it's possible that when you refresh, yeah, this Pi field that should come later, a second, right there. I'm gonna save that, and that's great. Anyway, so that's kind of the gist of it. That's how you would add links and so on. I'll investigate why this is superface is misbehaving, why it's not popping. The second set, I'd probably have to flush the CSS or maybe play with one of the settings, which is When you go in here, just show as expanded. You see if selected has menu, the menus will always appear expanded. I don't think is that is the issue, but just in case, I'm going to, since you're here. Yeah, I think I have to flush the cache, that's all. Anyway, so that's thing. One other thing I wanted to show you is I'm gonna add the contact info. That doesn't have any photos, so not really. I'm gonna, let's just, the research, another big one. All right, so I don't have a research here. It's a page, right? It's called content research, and also has many sub pages. I'm gonna add it now by going to the list links, add link, and I think it's just called research, plain old research. The link title path is that. It should be in the top level. I'm gonna have to move it around. What I want to show you is a little bit about the CKE. So now it shows right here instead of, I want to show it right between data and about. So first things first, I'm going to move research over there. So I'm gonna drag it into that level, right? That's what I want. Now it's gonna show right in the proper order. So home, about, and research. And so here's what the other thing I want to show you. You see how there is a broken image? This is because of an artifact of the migration. I just didn't really override the path. Should have, but it's okay. What I can do is edit this node, which is a basic page. And I'm using the CKE editor. I'm going to highlight, double click on the image area. And here, where it says the URL, I know that the culprit is this top folder. So I erase where it said /pi, and I'm gonna leave it at /sci default files. Now the image actually is visible. Everything else is good. The path settings, everything is good. So now when I save this page, it shows exactly as we had it in Drupal 6. All right, so that's the two things that I wanted to show you today. A little bit of the CKE editor, and also how to work with the menu system, how to create new items, and so forth. In another occasion, I will show you more stuff. For now, this is it for today. I'm gonna leave you guys and hope you have a good day.